Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says choose the incorrect statement regarding vasectomy. Option A, the vas deferens is cut and tight. Option B, sperm will not be produced. Option C, irreversible sterility. And option D, none of the above. So let us understand the question here. The question says choose the incorrect statement regarding vasectomy. So we have to look for incorrect statement, or I can say wrong statement regarding vasectomy. So before we look for the wrong statement, let us understand what is the meaning of vasectomy. What do you understand by vasectomy? It is a surgical procedure. It is a surgical procedure which is actually done in case of male. Okay, for what? So as to control the birth. So it is a kind of birth control method. Okay, birth control method. How is it done? It is done by cutting. Okay, it is done by cutting and tying up of the tube-like structure. Okay, which is called as vas deferens. Okay, it is done by cutting and tying up of vas deferens. Vas deferens in case of male. Okay, vas deferens is a tube-like structure, okay, which is present as a part of male reproductive system, where the sperms, once it is released in the testis, that will enter into vas efferents and then further epididymis, and further it will go to vas deferens, and further it will be transferred to the urethral tube, and further it will be released through penis, that is during coitus. So as to avoid the entry of the sperms into vas deferens and further into the urinary tube, so as to avoid the release of the sperms into the vagina of the female during coitus, that is why vas deferens is cut and tied. Okay, but very important point, it is not that the sperms will not be produced. Sperms will be produced. Okay, the only thing is, if the vas deferens is cut and tied, what will happen? That the sperms will not be able to get mixed up with the seminal fluid. Okay, so only if they get mixed with seminal fluid, and further during when the release of semen occurs, along with them, sperms also will be released. But since here the vas deferens is cut and tied, so the sperms will not get mixed up with the semen, and only during coitus only the semen will come out, not the sperms. Okay, so but production of sperm will be there. Okay, so let us look at the options now. So we have to look for incorrect statement. Option A, vas deferens is cut and tight. Yes, that is the correct statement, but that is not our answer because we are looking for incorrect statement. Option B, sperms will not be produced, which is wrong because as I told you, spermatogenesis will be there. Production of sperms will be there. But as the sentence says, sperms will not be produced, that is the incorrect statement. And that is the right answer for our question. Option C says irreversible sterility. Yes, it is the correct statement because once it is cut and tied, it is very difficult to get back the sterility again. Okay, so it is very, very poor. The rate of irreversibility is very low. So we can consider this point as a correct point. Hence, it is not our answer because we are looking for incorrect statement. Option D says none of the above, which is ruled out because we have an answer which says sperm will not be produced. That is the incorrect statement. Okay, so let us conclude the answer. So option B is the right answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.